PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Darkecho. Darkecho. I'm really digging that name. But it is a gaming chair with a footrest and massage feature. It is all leather, or PU, leather, pleather. And it has some of the familiar features you find in a gaming chair. It has a lumbar support pillow, it has a headrest pillow, and the lumbar support pillow is what massages. So it has a massage feature built into the lumbar support pillow. It has the ability of going from 90 degrees to 155 degrees. And its polyurethane casters, polyurethane, PU, same as the leather-ish, sort of. Polyurethane casters are rated up to 2,000 miles of rolling, they say. 2,000 miles before they explode and catch fire. But actually they don't. I don't think they catch fire. They don't catch fire, thankfully. But up to 2,000 miles, so you're gonna have a lot of rolling around to do in your office or home before you have any issues with those casters, hopefully. And then it can support up to 330 pounds of weight. So no matter how big or small you are, everybody's beautiful, everybody works out and fits on this chair quite nicely. And then of course they come in multiple colors as well as black, purple, and red. Those are your options, black, purple, and red. And today we have the purple one to show off. It's black and purple, technically. So they're all black. I think they're all black, but the accessory color to that is either black on black, or purple on black, or red on black. And then it has an MSRP of $169.99, so $170 for this chair. Of course, we might have something in the description if you want to look down there to make that a little bit easier on you. So check out the description below for more information. But for what we're going to do right now is we're going to open this. We're going to open it up and put it together, and we're going to see how hard it is to put together, because I believe it should be easy to put together, right? Easy? Yes? Okay. So let's open this up and give it a try. Done! That's it. Just like that. It's built. Actually, no, wait, I cheated. Let's go back. So everything does actually come together quite nicely. Like any other gaming chair, everything is pretty straightforward. You might not even need the instructions outside of a few little bolts here and there, but you have your typical pieces in terms of the seat, the back, the back support, you got your cushions, of course, you have your handrest to set up, as well as your base and wheels, or at least your polyurethane wheels or casters that attach to the base, and then you have your support bar, and everything comes together quite nicely. As mentioned, the lumbar support pillow offers a built-in massage feature, and it's pretty easy, as you can see, to power it up. And that's just to help relax yourself when it comes time for getting your gaming on. You might as well just be comfy in that chair. Oh wait, I'm not sitting in the chair yet. This doesn't help. So you have an extending footrest that just slides on out. And that's if you want to kick your feet up and relax a little bit, especially, or mostly really, you're not going to use this unless you're actually kicking the back end of the chair back up to, 155 degrees, tilting backwards. And then that allows you to extend your feet out as well and take a nice little nap in between gaming sessions. All the parts and pieces seem pretty well manufactured. The pleather, or PU leather, that everything is made out of, it seems pretty smooth and supportive. It doesn't feel like anything's going to start cracking and falling apart anytime soon, so that's always a good thing. We always like to see longevity in these kinds of products. Of course, keep in mind, this isn't your $600 chair from Main Gear or anything like that. I mean, it is PU leather, so it is an imitation leather, so it's not gonna last possibly as long with the proper treatments and whatnot that you'd normally do with a regular leather chair. But then again, even some of those leather chairs don't really last that long. But here we're focusing on the price, because if you consider the price of $169 or less, if you read the description, it really makes sense that, of course, it's not going to compare to some of those $600,000-$700,000 chairs. It's just going to compare with your typical chair that you buy from Office Depot or Office Max or Best Buy or any other typical office or electronic store. Thankfully, they do include tools for the assembly of the chair, so this makes it easier so you don't have to really break anything out of the garage to be able to make all of this happen and come together. And it doesn't take long at all for the whole process to take place. And here we have it, the Darkecho Gaming Chair with massage function. The lumbar support is down here, and the natural feel of the chair is pretty good. It's It's a little wobbly, but not too bad. I mean, it's within the same realm of anything else within the $100 to $200 range for gaming chairs in our experience. It does have a lot of up and down movement. You can lock it in and out here. To prevent it from moving at all, you have the option right here to be able to bring it back, again, up to 155 degrees, or straight 90 degrees up like this, which actually is pretty good on the back, where you can just kind of give it a little one single click back, and that's a little bit more relaxed. So if you're just kind of a sloucher while you're gaming. And the whole process of putting this thing together wasn't bad. I was forced to do it myself, so that I knew exactly what to say, but it took about, as everybody was watching me, 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more, because we specifically used the Allen key that came with it. Now, we would recommend probably 2 people. It'll be easier, faster, and safer to put this chair together, of course. And then definitely use a screw gun with a Allen key bit on there to help make the process go a little bit quicker. Now, I'm sure, of course, every manufacturer out there in their instructions, they always say, hey, try to use the manual tools. Don't use any kind of screw guns because it could possibly damage the product. But as long as you know how to use a screw gun, you should be just fine. There shouldn't be any issues. Again, just make sure you know what you're doing. Don't over tighten anything. Do not strip anything. Don't force anything. And it should come together pretty quickly. And again, with 2 people, it'll be easier than ever because somebody can hold it up as you're screwing things in. Then you have that lumbar support, which is a USB driven, power-wise, massage feature with just a simple little click button here. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this in. Ooh, and I have it on already. So it's just on or off. On or off. Doesn't look like it has any mode settings or anything like that. Now, of course, it is a vibration function, so it isn't gonna have any kind of needing hands or anything in there to really dig into your back or anything like that. I mean, you're not spending thousands of dollars on a massage chair that does that. You're just getting your typical just vibrating massage feature. It does kind of just loosen up the back a little bit and kind of relax you, assuming that you're into those massage features that just offer the vibration. Now, we didn't have any issues with putting this chair together, and by we, I mean I didn't have any issues putting this chair together. Everything came together quite nicely. There was one bolt that was on the bottom that was a little snug. It just took a little grip to knock it loose. Now, most of the hardware, the bolts, they're in there for you already to begin with. They're already in there. You only have a few extra bolts on the side to play with. So everything's already kind of preset for you. Just got to unscrew them back out, screw them back in with the parts attached. And then, of course, there was this part of the padding here is kind of got a little squish during shipment. This should kind of straighten itself out over time. Maybe give it a couple days or a week, and this will be just fine. Maybe massage it or something and try to straighten the pleather out, and you'll be fine. And that was just caused by everything just being so compact inside the box. So that's it. This is, again, the Darkecho Gaming Chair with massage feature and footrest that kicks out so you can relax and nap or just kick back while you're playing your games. Maybe you're doing VR and you want to do it laying back in your chair with your massage function on. You can do that, or all of that, in this awesome Darkecho Gaming Chair. So do we like it? Yes, we do like it. It's $169.99 again. It's in the higher range within the $100 and $200 range of chairs. However, again, check out the description. We do have something in there waiting for you to make things a little bit easier. It is likely time limited, so definitely jump on that while you have the chance, or else it's a $169.99. So there you have. Check out the description. We're going to have links in there for you to easily access the chair and find it online. And of course, if you like what you've seen here, don't forget to subscribe below and follow us. We have many more videos to come, as well as that comment section down there. So if you want to talk about this amongst each other or with us, what do you think about this chair? Maybe you have one of these chairs or one like it. Maybe you just want to compare it to something else. In most cases, it's going to compare to a lot of the $100 to $200 ranges, but then again, not all of them have a massage function in it. So Darkecho Gaming Chair with footrest. Check it out in the description. Links. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.